their first day, slipped up on day 2. They're in with a shot at and learning a lot. You can be sure that there's a steep learning curve.
Our referee is Pavel Hallas Jr. from Great Britain, and our linespersons for tonight, well, sorry, the honours officials.
Here it comes, lots of space. In it comes.
What a beautifully placed goal. That was number 17 from the Turkmenistan team. Crazy.
From the skipper.
What a save.
What a save. What a save.
I love this goalie. He's so quick.
Pulled out of the air.
It's quick again. Yeah, they're doing it again.
You knew the shot was coming in and he just reached up and grabbed it. Thank you very much. Like.
What a beautiful goal!
And goal number 5. It's Iskenderan Duridev, and I'm sure that is that. And with plenty of time still to come. My worry was when that 4th goal came was that it just seemed like a bridge too far for the South Africans. Now, you know what? I love it. So much wiser for the South Africans. Go! Go, 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 go!
Just putting it up 6 period.
I'm going to call it a soft goal because everyone seems to also see him from the reverse angle. But let's have a look at what it looks like. You see it now. There was a delayed reaction because he wanted to make sure that he got it through.
Yeah.
But a goal nonetheless as yeah.
Isayev. Watch tonight, sponsored by Tissot. To please rise as we play the national anthem for the winning team this evening, Turkmenistan. Once again, a very big congratulations to Turkmenistan for winning the matchup this evening.
Well, guys, that was just the medals there for, well, not the medals, the best player awards for these two teams for the game, and then obviously for the tournament for each team. It was nice to see who was getting those. But we're about to set up now for the closing ceremony. I'm going to quickly do shout out to sponsors because I haven't done that for 2 times, so I must do my stuff. So let's go to the sponsors, the Signage Hub, Blowberg Meats, DigiCape, Intro, Sports Fan, and CFW Fans, Peninsula Beverages.